Friends, let me show you how to restore default settings of download folder. This is basically folder name becomes D slash when location of this folder is D drive. Let's check properties. Click location, files in the D folder are stored in the target location below. Now, if you want to restore default settings for this folder, and default location of this folder is drive C. Select folder, right click, properties, location, click restore default. OK. Now click yes. Then it says, do you want to move all of the files old location to the new location? If you hit yes, then the action will not be taken or process will be failed. Let's check. Click yes. Failed to build the list of regular subdirectories under d/system volume information. Access is denied. It says access is denied. Okay. So let's try again. So properties again. Select location. Restore default. Hit OK. Now if you select no, then you can success to restore default. No. Now check again. Address of this folder, properties. Now you can see location. In location option, location is C drive again. C/users, username, downloads. General location C users. Okay. Now after refreshing, name of the folder becomes download again. That's all for now.